Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new billion project named as The Last Evolve. I will share all their detail. You can be a part of their giveaway, which is about 1 million, and you can be a part of $1 million giveaway. So I will share all their detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to also you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of this brilliant project named as The Last Evolve. So its token name is $TLD. You can get $TLD by 1 USDT. You can see I already add that 1 USDT. You will get 108.23 TLD. The last chance to buy before tier 1 exchange listing. So its price will again raise from here. So their time remaining are 11 or 6 minutes and 51 seconds. You can refer to earn. The more you refer, the more you will be able to earn. You can also do staking. They have the 300% staking APY. You can earn play to invest experience too. I will share that transforms gameplay into an investment hub. Stake, mine, battle, and gain exposure to easy stage projects through the gamified launchpad. So you can see, first of all, you have to connect your wallet and you can refer for their referral code too. For that, I will just click on the MetaMask. You can see it here. It is connecting. You can easily connect it from here and you can get that. So you can get 1 USDT and you can even though buy with a 10 USDT from where you can get 1082.33 TLD. So you can see that from here. Furthermore, if I want to share with you their about, and their about is given here. You can see it is the one token for all the ecosystem. It is gamified launchpad. They have the AI game exchange and grant program. I recommend you to do your own research before investing in any kind of project. I share the detail. This video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice, so do your own research before investing in it. So you can see the price and you can see further more details from here. Their referral code, you can apply for the referral code and also for the bonus, and their detail is given. They congrats you that you are the early to the army. Buy and stake their TLD to max out your riches and treasure before the armies get so big. So furthermore, they have the gameplay given here. You can go and join their gameplay. You need that. You can go for that and you can easily be able to work. They also the option for the stake. You can even go for the stake and you can claim that. You can buy it and you can stake, and you can even though see your history from here too. So furthermore, they have also the tokenomics given here and the army, and further you can see the tokenomics which is given here. The token supply is given. The ticker is $TLD. The chain is TON, and you can view their contract address from here. You can click on the view and you can see their TON scan, and which is shown here. TLD, their prices and all their details is given. You can see their details. From the total supply, 40% is for their pre-sale, 10% is for their treasury, showing that gray part, and the next 10% is for their liquidity, and the next 10% of that orange brownish part that show for their operation. Dark blue part show their 10% for the airdrop, and the yellow part show 20% for the ecosystem rewards, and the next part is for the pre-sale, which is the 40%. The main part token audit is on Consult. You can furthermore see that. I will share that link with you too. You can see the solid proof from here too, and I will share with you that their 1 million giveaway, that how you can be able to be a part of their 1 million giveaway, and how you are what are their requirements for be a part of that. So you can see it here. Their Consult is given here, and you can go for that and see their details. So furthermore, I want to share with you about their giveaways, which is showing here. Their 1 million TLD giveaway. Win your share now. So you can see you can be a part of their 1 million giveaway, become a millionaire. The Last Evolve is launching a massive 1 million TLD giveaway. This is your chance to earn free TLD by completing simple tasks and referring your friend. For that, you have to follow them on the Twitter. I will share their Twitter details further in the video, and also give their link in my video description. You can like and retweet the giveaway post which which I will show to you, and you have to tag two friends in the comment, and you have to connect your wallet, share your referral code to boost your more rewards. You can see the price distribution for the first one is 200k dollar TLD, second one is 120k TLD, and the third one is 80, and 4th to 10th one you will get 50,000 TLD each. 11 to 20 you can see 25,000 TLD each. You can see the price distribution and their price details from here too, and you can go for their one token for all ecosystem, the dollar TLD, the core, innovative, and utility. Words make TLD different, and it is the first utility token here, so it is specifically crafted for empowers players. You can see AI game exchange, their launch pattern furthermore from here to further. I want to share with you their giveaway post that you have to share, and you have to follow them on Twitter. You have to like and retweet this post. You have to tag your friends here, and you have to share your referral code with that. You can see their post is given here. I shared that details. You can do that. A minimum $100 participant in the last draft resale is required to be eligible for that. You have to go for $100 minimum here, so it is their requirement. You can see that. You can also join them on their Twitter, so you can easily be a part of them, and you can see their giveaway details, their pre-sale, their price as it is increasing, and their time. All the details will be given here. So if you want to be a part of their community, you can go and join them on the Twitter and also on their other social media accounts, so that you can easily be a part of it. And it is a good project, but do your own research before investing in it. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.